We made it to Amsterdam.
First thing we smelled when we got off the plane?
We smelled the funky skunkies. Go on an adventure.
Hi.
Holy shit. So nice.
That's so cool.
The duck store. That's crazy. It's so sick. This is the coolest place we've been, for sure.
You had so many Big Macs and food in here.
2.
Really? Yeah? Does it taste different than the last place?
No, it's just as good. So we're gonna be leaving our hostel soon. This is our little place we're at. Max is ready to go because our checkout is in 1 minute. But yeah, so we're gonna go explore Amsterdam and go to another hostel.
You're kidding. You're kidding. The record straight, Rob finished off my meal.
10 out of 10. Unreal.
This morning we were setting our summer clothes back. This afternoon,
Shopping.
yeah, new jacket. Really nice jacket.
Max's worst nightmare.
Just went to the Anne Frank house.
Yeah, it was pretty interesting. Really cool stories, and yeah, it was interesting.
You like it?
Looks insane. Just realized we forgot the camera when we were close to the Van Gogh Museum, so I had to run back and get it. Got the coffee.
Our $53 breakfast.
I'm going to accept this the gold.
Oh, it's like you can sell that.
Same with yours.
That was really fun.
That was fun.
The museum is beautiful.
Yeah.
It's cool art, but there was no Starry Night, which was insane.
Yeah.
Figured out it's in New York, so they can't even have it there. So,
I wonder if they've ever had it.
I wonder. We just got some cheap stuff, some smoothie, coffee, and then we're going to a ferry to go to our other hostel.
€7 breakfast.
€7 breakfast as opposed to €40, so it's just shit.
So we're on a full liquid diet now. Beers by night, smoothies by morning.
Room tour. We got a private room, got our own bathroom, which is nice, and this is the view of the courtyard that's below us. It's windy. We gotta run in these. I know.
This would be Rob's shoes, this would be mine. Is anyone trying to come at me? man, that angle.
Yeah.
Where'd the rest go? I'm so confused. Red pesto, eh? It's actually good.
Yeah.
We got another one just in case it doesn't go down easy. Rapid fire cheese tasting.
Yeah, go through and eat all the cheese.
Weird cheese.
Buy cheese.
Gotta work for your lunch. Don't use your teeth. Oh, you got it. Cream cheese.
That's good. After just eating a bunch of cheese, we're gonna eat more cheese. Here we are.
First try.
There's some swings up there you could swing on. Which is crazy.
Absolutely.
Vlog time.
Whoa.
Second waffle.
We got Nutella today.
Bite.
Me?
Yeah. We're kind of in bed for the night, so this will be my breakfast. Well, sorry, dinner in bed. Got some cheese.
Acting like we didn't have pasta for dinner.
Yeah, we have pasta. Cheese, we're gonna dip it in the mustard. And then we got our honey mustard chip here. And our connoisseur, we're just gonna try it. Oh.
Mmm.
Yeah.
Compliments to the chef. Today is our last day in Amsterdam, and we're gonna go to the Rijksmuseum and then maybe do a boat tour. Amsterdam food has also been really expensive, so we're gonna try to eat on a budget today.
Yeah. Having juice.
Is it good? Mm-hmm. Warm?
You gonna go that one?
They're so long, you could really do damage.
Yeah, but like this one's got the spike at the side and you can really do damage to that.
And that's lunch.
Go tour. That's just turn it on.
Before 5 years ago, decided to not allow that. The smoke inside is very
Dawn air. So, this is it for our last night in Amsterdam. It was beautiful. We spent how many days?
5 nights.
5 nights, 6 days. 6-ish days, yeah. And loved it all. It was so nice. We kind of kept track of our food for the last day. So, what did we spend?
55 euros, which is 90 Canadian dollars. 45 each, not bad.
Not bad. We were trying to be a little cost effective, but we did end up getting some down airs and some pancakes with hot chocolate and whipped cream, but it was still really good. And stuff you get the experience when you're out here. You can't just eat cheap food the whole time. So yeah.
Good night.
Good night. That was so stressful.
Just got to our bus.
2 minutes to spare.
2 minutes?
2 minutes to spare. We had 2 minutes.